Telegram code SMS problem, fix Telegram verification code not sending. So, if Telegram is not sending a verification code, maybe you are logging in from a new device, or maybe you reset your phone and you're trying to log in, but it is not sending the code no matter what you do. The first thing, of course, is make sure that the phone number that you're trying to enter or receive the code to is correct, and that the SIM card for this phone number is inserted, and that you're receiving messages. So check if it is not your network or your carrier side issue. The second is, sometimes instead of Telegram sending the code to your messages app, what happens is they will send the messages or the SMS code to the device where your Telegram account is still currently logged in. For example, if your Telegram account is logged in on your desktop computer or laptop computer, it will send the Telegram notification or the code within that logged in devices. So you have to check that as well. Now, if it's still not sending you, do not try from the same page over and over again. Just try to close this permanently from the recent menu also. Once you erase this from the recent menu, try to go ahead and then receive the verification code. Also check if the Telegram app has any type of update available, and if they do, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Now, if it is still not sending you code, our final alternative I would recommend you is to use another app instead of Telegram, which is called Telegram X. Now, this is not a third-party app. This is also one of the official Telegram app from the official developer Telegram FZ LLC themselves. So it's not a third-party sketchy app. It is completely safe. Instead, you can try to get the code on this app, and everything within Telegram is also similar on Telegram X. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.